Hi guys, I am Omi and welcome to Omi's Time Travel. Today I am going to share with you how I motovlog. That is what kind of camera mount I use, what kind of camera I use, and all kind of things that I will be going to discuss with you all people. Here is my helmet. It's normal helmet with an ISI mark down there, and the mount I use is this, the Gorillapod. Yes, you heard it right. Normal tripod which has a bendable legs. About this Gorillapod, I have already given a review, and you can go down the description. I've posted the link of the review of this Gorillapod in the description. You can go and check down there. This tripod is tightly fitted on the chin side of the helmet and it doesn't move, so we can have a continuous recording and can take this glass down. And yeah, this is the technique I used to motovlog. Here it is after connecting the mobile phone to the mobile holder and the Gorillapod fitted on the chin side of the helmet, and this is how the mount looks like on the helmet. Isn't that professional? Nah, it's not professional. It's Jugaad that I do to motovlog. Yeah, this is Omi wearing a helmet with a Gorillapod on it and a mobile whose recording is going on, and in this way I motovlog on the roads using my bike Classic 350. Isn't that a biggest jugaad that I do? Thank you for watching this video. Do like, do comment on this video, do share this video, and yeah, subscribe to Omi's Time Travel. Thank you.